Why do intelligent people do stupid things? Intelligent people are not immune to making mistakes or behaving in irrational ways. There can be several reasons why even highly intelligent individuals might do seemingly stupid things, including emotions. Strong emotions like anger, fear, or passion can cloud judgment and cause people to act impulsively. Bias. Everyone has biases, including intelligent people. These biases can distort perception and lead to incorrect decisions. Overconfidence. Overconfidence can lead people to ignore important information or dismiss opposing viewpoints, leading to poor decisions. Lack of information. No one knows everything, and even highly intelligent people can be uninformed about certain topics or issues. This can lead to errors in judgment. Fatigue. Physical and mental fatigue can impair cognitive function, leading to poor decision-making. Peer pressure. Intelligent people are also influenced by the opinions and actions of those around them, especially if they feel a need to fit in or belong. It's important to remember that intelligence does not equate to perfection. Everyone makes mistakes, and it's a normal part of the learning process. The key is to be self-aware and continually strive to improve decision-making and problem-solving skills.